This beauty is getting worse. Now me fine like this. See fine, babe. Fine, yeah. I'm too short. I'm sexy. Now me fine like this. I fine die. I fine. Come on, I fine. Aye.
Makeup tutorial.
So, alright guys, I am starting with priming my face. And now I've got my foundation. I'm using a silicone foundation applicator, and you can see it just evened out the foundation on my face. So, like, then I just blended off screen, guys. You already know how to blend. Then I went in with a darker foundation to just give my face that contour, that snatch, that you know what I'm trying to say. And I go in obviously with the beauty blender. This is the beauty blender I use to blend in my foundation, so I would always use it to kind of go in over everything, because so I just carry on using the beauty blender just to blend it in, because you don't want any sharp lines at the end of your makeup. Now I'm doing my under eye with my concealer. The same beauty blender, but a smaller version of it, because now I really need to get into the corner of my eyes, the corner of my nose. You know what I mean? Yeah, just blend, keep blending. And yeah, you can see I'm coming in back with the same brush that I use in the darker area. So yeah, just using that. And then I come in again with my general beauty blender. Remember, this beauty blender is still got a bit of foundation on it, so I'm just gonna tap around, like dab it around my face just to give it blended look. Face, I'm powdering the contoured area using the darker powder. I am using the V Beauty palette. And then now I'm going in with the bronzer. I'm trying to get that autumn summer look, even though it's kind of gonna be winter very soon, or it's slightly already winter. I'm just giving myself that glow, that summery glow, you know. And yeah guys, everything else is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Do comment down below, like, share the video. To watch the full video without the speed ups, go on my YouTube channel, Lizzie Atkins, or go on my YouTube channel, Lizzie's Magic Touch. You would find this makeup tutorial video on there with explanation and no speed ups. Yeah, so yeah guys, enjoy the rest of the video and let me know in the comment down below what you would like to see next. Keep watching.
season.